Let's solve one previous question of combinatorics. This question was asked in GATE CS 2020, question number 42. The number of permutations of the character in LILAC so that no character appears in its original position if two L's are indistinguishable is dash. Means two L's are same. So we have L, I, L, A, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now these two L cannot be in 1 and 3 position. So these two L can be in 2, 4, 5 position. If it can be in 2, 4, 5 position, then there are 3 position and 2 alphabet. So it will be 3C2. These two L we can arrange in 3C2 way. Combination of 3, 2, it's 3. Suppose one L is at 4th position, another L is at 5th position. Now in this second position I cannot be. So in second position there can be A or C, right? So there are two ways for second position. A, C can be placed in 1 and 3 position because 2 L are placed in 4th and 5. So A and C can be placed in 1 or 3 position. So that will be also in 2 factorial way. So total number of way will be 3 for 2L. Then for second position 2 way. Then for 1 and 3 2 factorial. So 3 multiplication 2 multiplication 2 factorial, it's 3 multiplied 2 multiplied 2, it's 12. So there are 12 way we can arrange LILAC so that no one will be in its original position. So there is also a de-arrangement formula. If all are different you can apply that. Here there are 2 L which are same, so that's why we cannot apply that. If all 5th alphabet will be different, that you can apply. D of 5 is 44. That I already discussed during lecture, that you can use. But here as there are 2 L and 2 L are same, so we cannot apply that. We need to apply manually according to position wise. We got answer as 12. Before solving previous year question, first go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.